Hey roommates, and welcome back to my room. First of all, I just want to apologize for my voice. If you haven't watched my last vlog, then go and watch it. I currently have a very, very bad sore throat, so I'm just gonna have to make do. But anyways, this is an updated makeup tutorial. I have changed a lot with the way I do my makeup, with the way I do my eyebrows, with the way I apply my foundations, what colors I use. And I'm just going to briefly explain the steps that I take. So as you can tell, I first started off with my eyebrows using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color Chocolate. I will link everything down below in the description box. And currently right now, the first color that I put in front of my brows is my foundation color, which is Fenty. And that foundation color is in the color 400. Then I've gone in with a L'Oreal foundation, which I'll link down below in the description box. I currently can't remember the name of it, but I do mix the two. And voila, you have my brows. So now I've applied some concealer on my eyelids and I'm just blending it out, making sure that the base is smooth, so that when I apply my eyeshadow, as you can see, it's applying nicely, softly, and there's no crumbs. So not necessarily crumbs, but I really don't even have to explain that part. But it's just not cracking, that's it. So recently I've been using the Morphe palette, which is, I think it's called the Morphe 12. I will put it up on the screen, or you will see it later on in the tutorial. And this palette has been my go-to. I've been using it since last year now, I think coming up to a year now, and it's just been amazing. And the reason why I always do brown looks now, I just do nudes and browns, it's because of Ariana Fletcher. If you don't know her, she's on Instagram, the Real Cow Sister. She's really inspired me to just do nudes and browns, and honestly, you can get away with anything. So as you saw, I took the color brown and I put it all over my eyelids. And the new technique that I'm doing now is blending that eyeshadow, bringing the eyeshadow forward and blending the eyeshadow up until the beginning of my brows, and then down to my nose, just next to my eyes. So yeah, so I've slowed down this part just so you guys can see what I'm doing. So as you can see, you really want to bring that eyeshadow forward, almost as if you're going into your nose, but you're not. So as of now, I'm just setting the top of my brows where the concealer is, so that when it comes to blending, I find it much more easier to blend, and just for everything to just come together. Rather than going off a tacky base, it's much more difficult. So right here, I'm just applying some powder, some setting powder on my skin before I apply my foundation. And I also applied the Becca primer beforehand all over my face, just to help my makeup stay in place and for me not to sweat. Although I don't really sweat, but you know, just for me to look cute or whatever. But yeah, now I'm applying my foundation. Guys, this was the wrong color. I wasn't meant to use this color. It was actually one of my clients' foundation, one of the foundations that I use on my client. But I don't know why I picked it up. It was so wrong. But I was panicking, but you guys didn't see. But it was really, really bad. But I had to wipe off some of I had to wipe it off and then go back in with my Fenty and just work with it. But I'm so happy. It turned out so great. But yeah, now I'm going in with my concealer, which is the LA Pro Girl, and I'm using the e.l.f. concealer, which is my new go-to. I'm telling you guys, go and get you some e.l.f. concealer. The colors I use for my concealer, I know it goes from one color to the other, but trust me, it blends and it is amazing. I'm using this darker color. I think it's in the color Fawn or Cool Tan, one of the two, but I do use both of them. So whichever one you want to use, feel free, go use it. But I use the darker color for like a base concealer. Then I apply the e.l.f. and just at the bottom, I go back in and apply more of the Cool Tan or Fawn concealer, and then I blend it out. Well, I'm just letting you guys know, if you didn't know now that I love a bright under eye. I love it so much. And I feel like using this method to move into your bright under eye is the best way ever. A little goes a long way, but later on I will be applying more, but it's literally just a dot and then blending it, a dot and then blending it. Okay, I don't think that was a dot, but you guys get it. Anyways, I'm going into using my P. Louise base in the color number 8, Rumor 8. It is the best warm color. Now, for like, you don't, when you're doing your contour or like your bronzing, you don't want to use a very dark color because it'll look like you'll look like a flag. You don't want to look like that. But you want to go in with something warm, like a warm color, and then work from there. I've been using this for such a long time, and it's been the best thing ever. Like, ever since I changed my makeup routine, I've been getting way more compliments on my makeup than ever. My eyebrows are less darker, it's less bigger. My eyeshadow, I mean, I don't know if I'll be going back in to doing the wild eyeshadow. Probably might, I don't know yet, but I'm loving the nudes at the moment. I'm hooked onto that. And just the way I base my foundation, my concealer, it's like every single day, you name it, man, woman, they're all complimenting me. Girl, your makeup looks good. I'm now using the Anastasia bronzer that I didn't like, so I put it down, so I stopped using it. And then I'm gonna go in and use the palette, and that is my favorite color. That is the palette that I also use for my eyes. Make sure you go and get it. It's probably sold out. It sells out quite a lot, but once these streets open, go into Morphe and get yourself the palette, okay? Each to their own skin. And the reason why I say that, because the way someone else sets their skin is not the way I set my skin. Everybody's makeup, everybody's skin is different. I don't need too much setting powder to make sure my makeup stays. Probably just around my nose, because that's where I get oily the most. But other than that, I can literally walk out without setting my face and I'm fine. But definitely set your face according to however you want to do it. But that's how much I set my face. And then I spray with the new Morphe Mist, and I literally just use my beauty blender to just dab that all in, mix it all together, make myself look good. Take the eyeliner, dot in my real beauty mark that no one believes in. And yeah. Now, these are the I think 3 or 4 lipsticks that I use. I can use like 8 lipsticks on my lips, guys. But I'm obsessed with nudes. But I literally used all of this, and that's my go-to. It's from P. Louise, Fenty, Revolution, Hair Shop, lip liner. So I got this amazing highlight palette on Christmas. I think one of my sisters bought it for me on Beauty Bay, and it's been giving me life. Okay, I am in love with it. I love it so much. Like, look at the glow. Look at that. Boo, you look good, girl. Don't do that. Don't do that. Don't do that. No, it's making me look so good, and it's making my makeup come together so well. I love it, guys. Go purchase. I'm going to link it down below. Make sure you click and go. Roommates, can we just get into my hair? Can we get into my baby hair, my lace, everything, yo? Baby girl looking cute, baby. I love my hair. Honestly, I have fell in love with curly hair. Like, I do not want to take this off my hair. I have concealer in my head. Oh my gosh. But I'm in love. I'm in love so much. The Luxe Lab slayed me. Make sure you book your appointments with my girl, because she good. You know what I'm saying? She fine. She fire. You know what I'm saying? Affordable too. No big price. Thank you. Okay? But I love my hair, though. I look good, baby. I look good. Look at that baby hair. Go, girl. Go, girl. Let me quickly rap to you guys. Baby looking fine. She fire. She mine. Ooh. Baby looking fine. Wipe that baby hair, girl. No, sorry. I am in love with my hair. Guys, I have been getting compliments. I can't even tell y'all. Because baby girl looking cute on these streets. And this street ain't even open. I've been looking so good, but I'm in love with my hair, guys. Make sure, roommates, make sure you book your appointments. But I'm done here, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys, and I'm probably going to talk in the next video, but I love you guys so much. Bye. So hi roommates, I'm finally able to speak because the noise in my house has finally gone down. Thank you so much roommates for coming into my room once again. I love you guys so much and I do miss you guys. I am still nervous about being in front of the camera. I know it's taken me a bit of time to get used to just talking to the camera, talking to you guys, inviting you guys into my room, but just give me time. I'm gonna get the hang of it. But yeah, I've given you guys like a spring holiday vibes, you know what I'm saying? I just want to go on holiday. I want to go on holiday so bad. I love this hair so much. I'm gonna link down below where the hair is from. My hair is from and in store is from the Luxe Lab, so make sure you check her out and get your bundles. I think I have like 5 bundles in here. It's so amazing, but even having just 3, I like big hair, okay? But yeah, I love it so much. She installed it. She done my baby hairs. I've kind of messed them up, so don't worry. She done them really nice yesterday. But I'm in love, and this top is actually from Boohoo. It's actually a skirt, but I've made it into a top, so you gotta improvise. You gotta improvise. I can't speak. You gotta improvise, baby. Improvise, okay? But yeah, thank you guys so much. Thank you, roommates, for coming into my room. I love you guys so much, so much. I know I look good, girl. What you talking about, girl? Don't do that, girl. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and follow all my social media platforms. Make sure you also follow my makeup page. I want to try to post up more on there, more clients. And then on Love's Room, which is my personal Instagram, I'm going to just do more makeup tutorials and just fun bits and bobs to get you guys loving the room even more. But I'm in love with this look, okay? Sweetie boo boo, okay? So y'all can take some screenage. I'm a pose. Y'all can pose. I mean, y'all can take the screenage.